Okay, this is our Rule 24, which says a single vowel Y changes to I when adding any ending unless the ending begins with I. And this whole worksheet is going to help us understand what that means.
Okay.
So we ask two questions. For this rule, the answer to both questions must be yes to make the change. So if our answer is not yes to both of these questions, then you do not change the Y to I. So the questions are, does it end with a single vowel Y?
Yes.
Yeah, which means it needs to be a consonant and then a Y, not a vowel and then a Y. And then, does the suffix begin with any letter other than I? So those are our two questions. A single vowel Y means any Y after a consonant. So it says to note the difference between this and the eavesdropping and 111 rules that require vowel suffixes. So the difference here is that this suffix can begin with any letter other than I, and I is a vowel, so it's not just any vowel suffix, which is different than some of the other elimination questions. You okay?
Yeah. So this wouldn't work, right?
Well, let's go through the examples and then we'll jump into the tables.
It doesn't
It
start
also
with I.
it also notes that it is important to remember the base word when spelling and pronouncing derivatives. So I think that that's just having you keep in mind, even as we're asking the elimination questions, still keep in mind what the original base word is, and I think that will become more clear as we go through the examples. So the first example is baby-ish. We're going to ask our two questions and decide if we drop the Y or not. Does it end with a single vowel Y? Yes, Y follows the consonant, B. Does the suffix end with any letter other than I? No, it ends with I. Because of the no answer, we keep the Y and, the suffix begins with I. Because of that no answer, we keep the Y and add the ending. So it's baby-ish. So you see here, we kept the Y and added the ending, ish. All right. The example is the word by with the suffix Does it end with a single vowel Y?
No.
No. The Y follows a vowel, not a consonant. So you don't even have to go on. Because of the no answer, you keep the Y and add the ending. By Okay. So this is an example that relates to this one about vowel suffixes. Here we're adding a suffix that does not begin with a vowel. Does the word early end with a single vowel? Why? Yes, because it follows a consonant, L. Does the suffix begin with any letter other than I?
Yes.
Yes. Both answers are yes, so we change the Y to I before adding the ending. So do you see here how early plus ness became earliness? The Y became an I. Okay, some of our other rules only work with vowel suffixes, but this one is not about if it starts with a vowel suffix. It's about any suffix as long as it does not begin with I.
Now I understand.